would encourage every agent out there to send their staff to the workshop. And I would encourage the agents to come to the LSP workshop. I got a lot out of how to coach my own staff today.
If you're an agent and you care for your team and you care for your agency and you care for your customers, then it would be beneficial for you to invest for your LSPs to go.
Everybody in our office could definitely benefit from the workshops, from the admin to the sales reps and as well as the actual insurance owners.
I believe anybody that's in sales, service, anyone that talks to customers on a daily basis can really benefit from this, because you'll be able to take everything they use and that they teach and just be able to uncover all kinds of things for customers.
Everyone can benefit from this workshop, whether it's your first day on the job, your second month on the job, or your 10th year on the job. This is going to bring you to the next level.